Today, I will review the features and functionality of ArmorGlas screen protection. Everything you need to install your screen protector easily and flawlessly are included. An alcohol prep pad, a sticky adhesive film to remove dust particles, a microfiber wipe, an install tray for your device, and the ArmorGlas. To get started, you'll want to first remove your device from your case and wipe it down with the alcohol prep pad. Next, grab the microfiber cloth to thoroughly clean and dry your device. Now that your screen is nice and shiny, it's time to remove any remaining dust particles. By applying the adhesive to your device, you are lifting any remaining dust particles. Now it's time to install your screen protector. Grab the glass screen protector and pull the tab to release the adhesive. It's important to hold it by the edges so you don't risk any fingerprints on the adhesive side. Once applied to your screen, simply run your fingers gently down the center of the glass to make sure it adheres correctly. You're almost to the finish line. Remove your device from the tray and smooth out any bubbles by pushing them out to the edges of the screen. You're all set.